What's up, YouTube? We got another great video today. Always biased, I guess. The MTGB1000D-1A. I thought I did a video on this one, and I was looking for content to put out, and I'm like, holy crud, I didn't put a video on this awesome piece, so let's do that now. This is the MTGB1000D-1A, which is the all-metal MTGB silver watch with red accents. So here's the box. Pull that out of here. Nice standard MTG, beautiful pleather or fox leather case with the red accents on there. There you go. And you got the inside there, you have the MTG with the red, there you go, on top. In the box you have your standard manual, warranty card in here. And I think you also get, let me see, no, this one didn't come with one. MTG manual there, the warranty card, and some other little documentation. Put that back in there. Let's pull the baby out. Let's talk about this puppy here. All right, we have the MTGB. Here it is. Gorgeous silver watch with red accents. I know there's a MTGS with the same color variation, and it was so popular. This one is kind of hard to find, to be honest. It's retail for, let's look at the tag here, 1,000 USD. This one was released in October of 2018, along with the black with blue accent. So there's two all metal ones, this one here, and then the one with the blue accents. There's a SKU if you want to look for it, and the model number, along with the module 5544, which is shared with the all the MTGBs. All right, but let's talk about some of the specs on this watch. This watch is tough solar. Like I said, it's stainless steel. It doesn't have the resin bands, which I think is pretty neat. It looks great with the suit in a business or casual setting. Or, you never know, want to wear it with some loafers or, you know, a nice button-up t-shirt. I think it looks nice. This watch is atomic, multiband 6, and even better, it has Bluetooth technology. The watch does have a beautiful, great sapphire crystal on there. And again, this is top of the line G-Shock watch, so it does come with the sapphire on there for scratch resistance, which I think is a great, nice touch. All right, it does have non-reflective coating, so it helps with natural lighting when you wear it to prevent reflection from the sun and artificial lighting. I think it does a great job. The case size is 55.8 millimeters by 51.7 with a 14.4 case size. All right. This watch weighs an astonishing 182 grams. This is no lightweight watch. This is heavy compared to other watches, especially the titanium set watches. This one does have some nice hefty weight to it, which sits nice on the wrist. It does show you that it's there, it reminds you that it's there. So if you don't like heavy watches, this might be the one that you want to skip and try to go for a titanium one that, for example, the Camel series, that one is titanium. Nevertheless, this is, as said, one of the expensive ones from their line. So you expect quality materials, hence the sapphire glass, reflective coating, and all metal casing, along with the tough solar multiband 6 movement on there. Okay, this watch is, of course, standard 200 meters water resistance. So take it swimming if you like. That's your style. Okay, but skip all the features and all that stuff to the side. Let's talk about this beautiful design. All right, and in the G-Shock style, we're gonna do some macro shots of this puppy so you can get a really close look at it. All right, but that's coming up shortly. All right, let's look at the dial here. We have the 24-hour time on the top. All right, we have the world time on the bottom. AM, PM indicator on the bottom right by the 15 date calendar there. On the left here, on the 9 o'clock position, you have the day of the week on the top left corner. The modes. And then at the bottom, you have the battery indicator. Okay. You have the Bluetooth on the top left there. All right. Yes and no for multiband 6 if you receive the signal. So if I push this button here, it should point to yes or no. I think mine would say no. There you go. Haven't exposed this one very much, so it's been sitting in the box, so hence why it hasn't received the signal. All right. On the bottom left corner here, next to the 8 o'clock position, you have the RC for receive. I push and hold this. It should try to receive the signal, like so. Let's see if it gets it. Let's wait and see. So I'm holding and waiting. You're supposed to put this by a window, close to window ledge, and don't move it. Just keep it steady, and that should keep your watch. That should help receive the signal. Me holding it in my hand, and actually the movement that I'm, even a so slightly movement, might prevent the watch from receiving the signal. I'm also in the basement of my home, which also prevents the watch from receiving a good strong signal. But we'll see. It's also middle of the day. Ideally, you want the watch to be sitting near a window with the G-Shock facing out, not touching it, and it should receive the signal automatically around 12 a.m. every night. Let's check it out. Let's wait. And okay, let's see if you got it. Go back to push receiving. Nope, didn't get it. Failed. But nevertheless, that's how you do it. All right. Let's check the crown here. It's unscrew it. It's pretty neat. Pull it out. Unscrew it counterclockwise. Pull it to the first position, and you could select your time zone. Turn it clockwise. You see all the different world time selections around the bezel there. Counterclockwise goes the opposite direction. I'm going to set it to Chicago. Right, stop and push it in. Goes back to your time. Let's see. There we go. And I excuse myself in the second position. The first position is for the world time. The second position is for the home time. Push it in, and there you should see the, there you go. The time has been set to Chicago time. All right. Now the clasp has a tri-fold mechanism here. There we go. A tri-fold band. 1, 2, 3. All right. I believe it does have micro adjustments on there. Let's see. Yep. Right there you have positions to move the band with minor adjustments if necessary, without the need to remove any of the links. But if necessary, if necessary, you can remove some links to adjust it to your wrist size. Okay. Now, my favorite part. Let's go and look at this watch in a nice macro look, because I like that best. Let's go. All right, and there you guys have it. The MTGB1000D-1A. Gorgeous MTG Bluetooth watch. You saw all those fine details, guys. More beautiful in person than you can ever imagine on a video. I try to capture in 4K details what this watch has to offer, but you just get something extra every time you see this in person. Let me show you the backlight here so you guys see how that looks. There's the looms on the hour markers as well, the hour and minute hands. Quite bright, but the backlight does help with the LED. Show you that there. Look at that gorgeous loom. Look at that backlight. Awesome. It's beautiful. Okay. I am selling this watch. Can't keep them all. Great price. Definitely under retail. Check the description. This will be part of my next for sale video. If you like it and don't want to wait, feel free to email me. My description is in the body of this video. And we'll get this out to you as soon as possible. It is complete set with all the manuals, all the boxes as necessary. It is new. As you can see, the description or the quality of the watch based on this video still has plastic on the back here of the buckle. Tag included. Show you the back plate on this puppy. There it is. Multiband 6, Bluetooth indicator, sapphire crystal, MTGB1000, tough movement, tough solar, 5544 module. All right, there's that gorgeous red accent underneath. All right, if you decide to get this watch, please be careful when removing the links. This has it's not as easy, it's a little tricky. It has some little things that hold the pins there. You don't want to lose those, or the pins won't stay in place, and you could have the band fall off and drop the watch or lose it. So I recommend you get a professional to do this if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, or if you do it yourself, make sure to keep a watchful eye for the little pieces that they're holding these pins in there. All right, but now I'm ranting. I keep getting my hand stuck there. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. Nice size, case size for any nice occasion. All right, guys, till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'll see you guys very soon. Keep an eye out for the for sale video. I plan to put it out very soon, hopefully within the next week or two, if all things align. And I'll see you guys very soon. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar.